Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all having a great and wonderful day. Well, what we have here is a bit of sadness for Carmelo Anthony, specifically his father, because he was arrested apparently. And it seems like some of these things that he has for like Louisiana or what have you has been catching up to him, or rather, there's a reason why he was moving there. So here's a few stuff that we have. Uh, we have that where he was being arrested, and then we have the fact that that Carmelo Anthony has also retained another attorney. So it doesn't seem too great here. So what we have here is this from Sarah Fields saying here that confirmed documents provided by Eastern Baton Rouge City Courthouse confirm that Drew Anthony, father of Carmelo Anthony, has an active warrant for his arrest in Louisiana. Now go back, and we end up finding out that he was going to move to Louisiana, but that apparently didn't happen. So he's now in Texas. So that's a little odd. He had failed to appear for a criminal traffic violation for improper equipment, and according to the document, his license has been forfeited. This means that he either lied to the state of Texas about ever having a driver's license in another state, or he is currently driving without a license. His prior criminal record also shows multiple counts of theft. Oh, well, now this is showing quite easily on how we're in this situation, right? Because obviously, it doesn't feel apple doesn't far too far from the tree. So we have this here. It says case summary, and then and the city of Baton Rouge versus Andrew says offenses are proper equipment 129. And then we have this here traffic do not use this code. Warrants are OTA arraignments. CT and NT required. Andrew, judicial official. Matthews Dive C judicial Judge John M. We have criminal traffic division. So yeah, it says events is driver's license forfeiture reported, driver's license forfeiture recalled, driver's license forfeiture 301 reported, a contempt of hearing traffic. So yeah, it's not looking too great for this guy, right? We have this here: reckless operation of vehicle, theft, more theft of $500 to $1,500, no seatbelt, speeding, maximum limit speeding 70 and a 45. That's not good, right? That doesn't look good. It looks like he has like 3 counts of theft by the looks of it. That's not great. But he doesn't seem like to be the great guy, which goes to show that this man here is not the greatest man of the book, and this is his mugshot. So yeah, it seems like the only reason why his son is the way that he is because his father is not very far off from that either. So that makes a lot of sense, and why he would play this racism card, because again, criminals protect criminals. This has been a story known for a while now as we've gone through these reports, because obviously one of these people that is like trying to protect Anthony, or the like lawyer, was or is a person that had that did have a lot of crimes under his belt, including everybody around him that has also had crimes. Now we end up finding out that the father also has a whole bunch of crimes. So it says shocking. 3-1 says the mother has a criminal record as well. She does. So that doesn't sound good, right? Like, that sounds pretty bad if you ask me. So if she has a criminal record and he has a criminal record, it's like the whole entire family is a bunch of criminals. But again, this is alleged. Only Sarah feels that she does, and I don't know how true that is or not. She's going to have to drop the records of that, because I'm a fair person here. I would want to see those records before I confirm anything. So she allegedly has done crimes, or is a criminal, but we don't know. We have more from Sarah Fields saying Karmelo Anthony has retained another attorney in addition to Mike Howard. New attorney worked with the DA in charge of the Metcalf case. According to a response to an open record request I sent to the Collin County District Clerk, Toby Shook from the Shook and Gunter law firm has been retained by the Anthony family. Hiring multiple attorneys will significantly increase legal costs. Bill Wursky is a first chair DA in the Metcalf case. In a rather strange twist to the story, Toby Shook and Bill Wursky worked together in the past when Wursky was appointed as a special prosecutor for the Kaufman, Texas prosecutor murders, which received national attention. Their prosecution resulted in the conviction and sentencing of Eric Williams. Now, they will be in opposition to each other for the Anthony case. So we have this here. Dear Clerk, please take notice that the undersigned attorney, Toby Shook, hereby enters an appearance as counsel for Karmelo Anthony in the above captioned matter. This appearance is in addition to existing counsel of record and not in substitution. All future correspondence should also be served upon the undersigned counsel. Says Toby Shook at the bottom there. Says this is Shook and Gunter. Charles Albright. In 2013, Toby Shook and attorney Bill Wursky were appointed special prosecutors for the Kaufman, Texas prosecutor murders, which received national attention. Their prosecution resulted in the conviction and death sentence of Eric Williams. Over the years, Mr. Shook has been featured on many national network shows, including BBC's Dateline, etc. This guy's famous. It's pretty much what I'm saying. And of course, you have idiots here that are saying, may I ask why this is such a big story for you? Why you feel it's so important when hundreds of kids are killed yearly, but this one seems high on your priority list? She goes on to say here, because I have investigated from the beginning, and I don't stop reporting in a story until it's finished. I'm also the only reporter who has revealed the rabbit holes to the story. The opposition has made it their job to spread misinformation. I will not stop countering with the truth. It is needed. So, again, it's stupid here, right? The point being is like, the reason why I'm also reporting on the story, the same thing as Sarah Fields, is because I want the truth out. This has gotten a big story because of what's been going on in this reality hellhole that these people have created. So, yeah, it says, caution. I know Toby Shook pretty well. He's part of the smartest defense counsel I've ever met in the 20-plus years of practice. Shook mostly tries high-profile blue-collar cases for big-money clients. Possibly the best player in the game. He's way more talented than the Collin County DAs, many of whom I know. No, they know this too, and they fear him. He's also expensive. Yeah, so we'll see on how this goes, right? I don't think they could be able to do this. I don't think how they can retain him, but we'll see how it is. It ain't going to be looking too great here. So they're really bringing out the big guns to try and stop this, but there's also going to be other issues as well. If I was the lawyer and I was this guy, I would not be taking this case whatsoever because this sounds like a huge issue. Because like it doesn't seem like this case is going to be a open and shut. It doesn't look like it's going to be a very hard case. I mean, once the video comes out, you'll get to see that. This guy obviously looked like he stabbed this person. This person is deceased. There's been a lot of derogatory statements. Also, the father being involved in some of these crazy things. I mean, the things that have been going on here is not good, and I suggest things just not. I suggest it would be not career suicide, but just really, really bad for him if he did take this case. I wouldn't personally. So, guys, that's what we have here. Like, subscribe, share. As always. Take care, my friends. By the way, one last final thing. I've been trying to do this. If you guys can, please join my channel. You only have to pay the $5 or what have you to join my channel for a month. And the membership here. So, yeah. If you guys would like to do that, feel free to do so. I'm just trying to advertise this a little bit more, get a little bit more money so I can do this long term than having to not do this at all. So, that's it for me, guys. Like, subscribe, share. As always, take care, my friends.